I'm Angie Turani, holistic healthcare practitioner and BodyTalk instructor. Now, motherhood is one of the most rewarding experience, but it can come with its own challenges. So today we are going to talk about the challenges which a new mother could experience and how we can support it with simple, safe, non-invasive treatments of BodyTalk system. So post-pregnancy, it could be a lot of fatigue, exhaustion, pain, which could prolong, and that could be impacting the mother's physical and mental health. As well as baby blues, postnatal depression is something that is very common nowadays. And during this postnatal depression, there's a lot of anxiety, lack of connection with the baby, totally feeling depressed and anxious. Now, the contributing factors to this postnatal depression, anxiety, or OCD, where the mother is obsessive, compulsively worried about the baby, could come from various different factors. So it could be hormonal imbalances. And many a times, one of the overlooked factor is the scar tissue. So the scar tissue that could be from C-section, and it could be blocking certain meridians and the flow of chi. As well as with natural birth, there could be tear on the perineum, which is the core muscle at the base. And that's the major acupuncture point, which has the whole of the yin meridian starting point there, which is called conceptional vessel meridian, and CV1 acupuncture point. Now, once through the birthing process, if there is a scar tissue and wear and tear on those major acupuncture points, and there are scar tissues and adhesions, now they contribute to depression, lack of energy, fatigue, lactation issues, as well as where you see that totally the aging process, that the energy is depleted, is due to that Chong Ma Meridian, which has been blocked due to scar tissues. So with BodyTalk treatments, we work with clearing those scar tissues, and adhesion, it works excellent with scar tissues. And to optimize the flow of chi through those meridians, optimizing the yin chi and the flow of circulation to optimize the mood and hormones. Again, with BodyTalk treatments, I have worked with several women with postnatal depression, and addressing those scar tissues and balancing the chi, specifically the Chong Ma Meridian and conceptional vessel meridian, has been sort of transformational in shifting that postnatal depression. Lactation could be another big concern, soreness in the breast, breast being engorged, as well as inflammation, where women struggle with breastfeeding, where they want to breastfeed, but it's been a difficult process for that. Again, one of the core concept that triggers all that is imbalance in the Chong Ma Meridian, as well as thyroid. So with BodyTalk treatments, it's all about identifying those causative factors, emotional, psychological stresses, hormonal changes, and supporting the body to heal. Now, from the perspective of the baby, the childbirth is one of the most important. So many times there's a lot of childbirth trauma. This childbirth trauma could be for a child who's coming through C-section, who has been separated from the mother and put on in the incubator, who misses the whole process of getting the microbiome which comes through the natural birth process. The trauma could be for a child who's coming through natural birth from a difficult labor. It could be the umbilical cord was around the neck. It could be all the needles, pains, and the 5 senses that are bombarded with this artificial environment at the time of birth. Now, childbirth and all the stress, environmental stress that gets imprinted on the 5 senses of the baby can set a tone for fear, anxiety, panic, as well as it can trigger the immune system into autoimmune conditions and allergies. So supporting the baby with a safe childbirth and addressing the treatments to neutralize and clear the trauma from the childbirth that could be imprinted on the subconscious mind, which sort of sets the tone for all the future experiences and the personality of the baby. So that's where BodyTalk treatments work pivotal, And it could just work amazing with clearing and neutralizing all those stress from the child's subconscious mind, making it a smooth and easy process. Another one is premature children. So when a child is born premature, there are lots of complications: underdeveloped lungs, not able to suck and digest and take in enough of milk, lack of energy, as well as a poor immune system, and so on. Again, wanted to share with you the experience of one of my clients. She had some complication, had to go for emergency C-section, and she ended up with a premature baby who was put in the incubator, and she was receiving treatments for the baby. Now, the beauty is BodyTalk treatments could be done at distance. They're totally safe, non-invasive, and they support the body-mind to heal from inside out. And it was literally a matter of few weeks how the baby's development was incredible. The lungs development was there, the digestive system, and the baby was discharged, and she could get the baby home, and the baby was able to go on breastfeeding thereafter. So when it comes to delivery, pregnancy, newborn baby, you want something that's safe, that's non-invasive, that doesn't have any side effects. And that's where BodyTalk treatments work amazing, because it's an energy medicine. It's all about supporting the body's natural synchronity and rhythm, identifying what stresses are blocking it, helping the body to heal and repair from those stress so body could function. So if you're looking for supporting the childbirth and the newborn baby with colicky, anxiety, various different issues, one of the best gifts you can give to yourself and to your family is BodyTalk treatment to support them with that beautiful birthing process and start of the life. So if you're new to BodyTalk system, book in for a complimentary session, as well as check out my website for more information. Thank you.